Hi, my name is Evgeny Laptev. I'm the systems architect at RCNTEC. Today, we're going to talk about short circuits. Let's think why short circuits happen in the first place. One of the most common causes for short circuits is wiring insulation damage. The other causes are failures of electrolytic capacitors, diode bridges, or high-voltage transistors inside switched power supplies. We apparently can't help the device on which short circuit has occurred. However, let's discuss what happens if faulty device is powered with a common power strip, as you can see in our demo setup. There are several consumers connected to this power strip. Let's simulate failure of one of them by simulating a short circuit using the special device created for this purpose and see what's gonna happen. As we can see, failure of the single consumer has led to powering off of all devices powered via this power strip. Why does this happen? Because in case of a short circuit, either fuse of the power strip blows or the circuit breaker disconnects power of the feed. When such situation happens, our first priority task is to find the failed device and to restore power supply as soon as possible. It's good if you know where your equipment is located and location is within reach. Much worse if it is at a remote or staffless site. Or maybe you're mainly responsible for software part, equipment is in data center, and you have no clue where exactly your equipment is located. In these cases, downtime can last tens of minutes and even hours. All equipment is off and external picture doesn't reveal the source of failure. We need to locate the faulty device and recover power supply as soon as possible. The simplest way to do it is to disconnect all consumers. And that's what I'm doing now. Now I'll go and reset the circuit breaker. As you can see, I've restored the power supply, and now I'll start to connect back consumers one by one. Yes, as soon as I've connected the faulty device, the circuit breaker has triggered again, and again all equipment has been powered off immediately. Luckily this time we know that this particular device is the cause of trouble, we disconnect it, connect the rest of equipment, and after resetting the circuit breaker again, we'll finally restore power supply. That's what I'm gonna do now. So, finally, we've managed to provide power to all equipment, except for the device that has caused a short circuit. We believe that short circuit issues should not cause downtimes to other devices and should not be this difficult to track down. To help you easily solve this, we have designed the Resilient Power Control Module, or RPCM, in which we have implemented short circuit protection on each of 10 outlets. And now I will show you how it works. For the purpose of demonstration, we have prepared a setup where you can see the RPCM itself and Resilient Cloud Storage disk modules acting as consumers. We can see that all outlets are now on and they're all loaded. In order to show you how short circuit protection works, I'm gonna disconnect one of consumers and swap it with a special short circuit simulation device. Now, let's trigger the short circuit. As you can see, short circuit protection circuitry has caught the issue and has automatically turned off power to the corresponding outlet. Now I'm going to switch off short circuit simulation, restore the initial setup, thereby simulating resolution of the short circuit issue. In order to restore power supply to the outlet, we just need to log into RPCM's web interface, unlock management mode, and click Reset button on the corresponding outlet. This will cause power supply to restore. It's very important to mention that all other consumers have been working without any power interruption all this time. Here's how short circuit protection works with RPCMs. If you like the functionality that we have shown, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel to learn about upcoming new functionality of our devices. Thank you.